Johnson, Neil Armstrong, Taylor Swift, and Grace Vanderwaal. All of those people have one thing in common. They all know how to play the ukulele. Today I'll be teaching you how to play the ukulele in 3 steps. The first step will be how to tune it. The second step will be the 4 chords and the strumming pattern you need in the song. And the third step is putting them all together to play the song. So the first step for tuning the ukulele, what you need is a tuner like this. And to turn mine on, all you have to do is press the button on the back and hold it. And you have to make sure that it's on the ukulele setting so it knows what instrument you're tuning. And when you're tuning it, all you want to do is like pluck one string at a time, and it'll show up. Like if it's tuned, the screen will light up green, and then that means that it's tuned. And you just go by one. And if it wasn't tuned, all you have to do is find the string and which one it's connected to. And so I'd pluck this one, and if it wasn't tuned, I'd kind of just keep going and move it back and forth until I see the green screen. So to turn it off, all you have to do is press that button, the same one that you did to turn it on. The second step is learning the 4 chords that are in the song. So the first chord is the C chord, and this is like a picture of, this is kind of like the strings on the ukulele. So the strings are labeled 4, 3, 2, 1, or 4, 3, 2, 1. So they're kind of backwards. And then these are all, there's like metal bars that separate each rectangle, and these are numbered just down, and they're the frets. So this would be 1, 2, 3, and it just goes down like that. And so there's little circles open circles at the top, and those are the strings that aren't going to be held down by any of your fingers. So this string, and this string, no fingers are going to be held down. And then there's a little, I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's like a dot right here, or a circle, and it's colored in, and that's where you put your finger. And there's a number in the middle, and the number is 3, and that shows you what finger you have to put down there. So your fingers are numbered T for thumb, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4. So right here it says 3 in the middle. So I put my 3rd finger, which is my like ring finger, and that's the C chord. And then the second chord in the song is G. So it says chord 1 is going to be on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. Chord 2 is on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and chord 3 is on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And that's the G. And then there's the A minor after that. And you just follow what it says. So on string 4, you put your 2nd finger, which would be your middle finger, and you put that on the 4th string, and you play it. That's the A minor. And then for the F chord, you keep your finger where it was for the A minor, and then you just add your 1st finger, and you put that on the 3rd string, or the 2nd string, and the 1st fret. And that's the F chord. That's how you read them. And then the song that these all go to, or like the strumming pattern in the song, and most of the songs that I do, is down, down, up, down, up. And all you do is go. So you just move your hand down, down, up, down, up, and you just go with that. And that's the rhythm to the song. And then the song that this goes to is Beautiful Thing by Grace Vanderwaal. So I'll play a little bit of it, like a few minutes of it. Okay. You think that you know my heart, and you probably do. So I'm always with you. I could stay with you for hours in an empty room. Never get bored. Never had nothing to do. You're my other half. What makes me smile when I fall down. Can't get back up on my feet. Without you here, I am blind. Something inside you is triggering. You make myself, you make me funny. You're a beautiful thing. We're a beautiful thing together. Even when the weather is low, today I taught you how to tune the ukulele.